I have a big problem, and my problem is displaying maps. So the first idea that you may have is to draw all maps separately and just display them one after another, right? So just draw this map, draw this map, draw this map, and so on. But first of all, I would need to draw, these old borders couple times. Second of all, storage. I would need to store this Switzerland, for example, like so many times as there are frames here. So this is out of the question. So what if I save this giant map, and I will save only the map that is zoomed in on this front, and I will place this map on this giant map. But there is another method which requires even less storage. So what if I save only occupied territories of country? And that's what I did, and let's see results. And as you can see, this is absolutely misaligned, and this is kind of problem. And my solution was to, okay, you see this, these are occupied territories, right? And here is this white space. What if we, in place of this white space, place a country that should be there instead of white space? And that's what I did. And the results are... now, first thing is that there is actually some thin hole here. But basically, these are the results. But I started thinking, and I thought about even more efficient way to do that. And more efficient way is that instead of saving this entire giant map and this smaller map right here, what if we just saved borders of countries? Basically, this is the idea, that instead of storing maps, I just store borders, and I assemble countries with these borders on the spot on my website. And this makes this less prone to errors, and it makes easier to edit these borders. And also this takes very less space, because now when the border is changing, I just need to change this border right here, instead of once again saving this border and this part. So this was my little ramble about problems of displaying maps on my website. I know that nobody cares, but you care because you watched this entire video. Very thank you for that. And if you are interested in prospect of interactive map website, be sure to subscribe because I'm working on it. So thank you for watching, and bye.